Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to this guided meditation that will help you live in the energy that all is unfolding perfectly for you. That success is not just possible, but inevitable. If we are not living in the expectation of our highest outcome, then we are merely living in the recreation of our past, of everything that came before, instead of cultivating the new energy of what is yet to come. So let's sit in the energy of expectation that your success and everything you desire is always just around the corner. I'm so glad you're here, dear one. If we haven't met yet, I'm Carolyn, spiritual mentor, and this channel is all about helping you still your mind and awaken your soul while using the healing energy of horses as our guide. Before we begin, dear one, let your eyes gaze over the images of the horses who will be coming along with you throughout this meditation. Let their soulful strength and their powerful presence wash over you. Feel yourself being bathed in a healing light that is calm, confident, peaceful, and present. Horses are prey animals. They must remain in the present moment, calm yet alert, in order to respond if or when it is needed. For them, there is no yesterday. There is no tomorrow. There is only right now. Let this wisdom of the horses merge with you now as you get yourself comfortable in whatever position feels right to you. And then whenever you're ready, gently allow your eyes to close. Bring your attention to your breath now. Notice your breathing. What do you notice? Do you feel the air softly moving through your nose? Do you feel the air expanding your ribs? Do you feel the air filling your belly? Feel the air moving through your body as you breathe gently and softly and slowly and consciously. Allow your body to be breathed. Your only job is to let go and let your breath breathe for you. Continue to stay present with your inhale and to stay present with your exhale. Air moving into your body, air leaving your body. Air filling your body, air flowing out of your body. Stay with your breath. Be in your body. Become aware now of any tension or stuckness in your body that you'd like to let go of right now. Let it be as easy as just letting go. Breathe in deeply. Let the tension go easily. As you exhale softly, become aware now of any stuckness in your energy that you'd like to let go of now. And just let it go. Let it be that easy. Breathing fully and exhale ever so easily, letting go. Become aware now of any distress in your mind, any thoughts that don't serve you right now, and just let them go. Let it be as easy as just letting go as you breathe. Inhale and exhale. Nothing to hold on to. Just let go. Feel spacious, light, and grounded. Here in this present moment, there is nowhere else you need to be, because there is nowhere else that you can be. Your only point of power is right now in this moment. So as you inhale with intention and exhale with relaxation, feel how powerful you are sitting here, being here, creating here. The very next moment is decided by you. With each inhale and each exhale, and each moment one after the other, you are creating your life. So in this very next moment, how do you want to feel? Breathe in the intention and exhale. Relax. Let it be as easy as feeling it now. And in the very next moment, who do you want to be? Breathe in the intention and exhale, relax. Let it be as easy as being that now. And in this very next moment, how would success feel to you? And in the very next moment, let it be as easy as feeling that success now. How each next moment unfolds is within your power now. Feel what you want now. Feel the feeling of being who you want to be now. Feel the feeling of having what you want right now. If you can feel it in this moment, then you can cultivate it in the next moment. And if you can cultivate it in the next moment, then you can create it in the moments that come next, moment after moment. And if you can create it, you can expect it. So expect your success. It's right around the corner because it's here right now. Take some final moments here to breathe in your success and breathe out your knowing expectation. And then whenever you're ready, come back to the room and gently open your eyes. I hope this meditation helped you cultivate that feeling of success and helped you remember that everything you want is right around the corner, because where you turn is always up to you. Please let me know in the comments if this was supportive for you. It really does mean so much to me to hear from you. And if you'd like to go deeper with getting out of your head and back into your heart, then I invite you to take advantage of my free 3-day mini meditation challenge. You can click on the link in the description below. And if you received any benefit from this meditation, please show it some love by clicking like and subscribe to the channel, as this really does help me create more of them for you. Thank you so much for listening, dear one. Have a beautiful day.